नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः तत्पुरुषसमासः अधीतः। सामान्यतत्पुरुषः, सामान्यतत्पुरुषे प्रथमा द्वितीया तृतीया चतुर्थी पंचमी षष्ठी तथा सप्तमी इति प्रकाराः भवन्ति। किन्तु अत्र मुख्यत्वेन ध्यातव्यः अंशः अयं यत् अत्र व्यधिकरणं भवति। व्यधिकरणं नाम एकं पदं प्रथमायां भवति, अपरं द्वितीयायां, द्वितीयम् अथवा एकं पदं द्वितीयायां भवति, अपरम् उत्तरपदं प्रथमायां, पूर्वपदं तृतीयायाम्, अपरं पदं प्रथमायाम्, एवमेव पूर्वपदं यद् भवति तत्र व्यधिकरणं भवति, नाम भिन्ना भिन्ना विभक्ति भवति। प्रथमा भवति कदाचित् द्वितीया तृतीया चतुर्थी एव तदधीतम्। अधुना इतः आरभ्य तत्पुरुषस्य प्रकारः भविष्यति कर्मधारयः। कर्मधारय इत्यस्य प्रकारः भवति द्विगु इत्यादिकं। सो पूर्वम् अधुना कर्मधारे समासः किं तस्य इंट्रोडक्शन अहं ददामि। व्यधिकरणमध्ये कर्मधारयः आगच्छति, तत्पूर्वं किञ्चित् आवर्तनं कुर्मः। प्रथमा तत्पुरुषः इति एकं नाम अस्य, तथा एकदेशी समासः इति अपि उच्यते। तस्य प्रसिद्धम् उदाहरणम् अर्धं ग्रामस्य अर्धग्रामः, पूर्वं कायस्य अथवा कायस्य पूर्वं पूर्वकायः इत्यादिकं सर्वम् उच्यते। अपरकाय, अधरकाय, उत्तरकाय इत्यादिकं। द्वितीय तत्पुरुषस्य एकम् उदाहरणं द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगतात्यस्ता प्राप्तापन्नैः इति सूत्रं गृहं गतः, गृहगतः। तृतीय तत्पुरुषः नखैः भिन्नः नखभिन्नः। चतुर्थी तत्पुरुषः गवेहितं गोहितं। पंचमी चोराद्भयं चोरभयं। षष्ठी वृक्षस्य मूलं वृक्षमूलं। सप्तमी कार्यकुशलः कार्यकुशलः। शौण्डादिगणे अयं कुशलः निपुणः पटु पंडितः इत्यादि शब्दाः आगमिष्यन्ति। अत्र पुनः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः यः भवति तत्र उत्तरपदं किं भवेत् इति कोऽपि निर्णयः न। अन्येषु सर्वेषु द्वितीया तृतीया चतुर्थी पंचमी सप्तमी इत्यत्रेषु उत्तरपदं किं भवेत् तदुक्तं। यथा द्वितीया श्रितातीतपतितगतात्यस्ता प्राप्तापन्नैः, नाम किं तत्र श्रित अतीत पतित गति गत इत्यादीनि पदानि भवेयुः उत्तरपदे। चतुर्थी मध्ये तत्र पुनः उक्तं तदर्थ बलि हित सुख इत्यादिकं। पंचमी मध्ये भयवाचकः शब्द भवेत्। तृतीया मध्ये तत्र कृदन्त प्रत्ययः भवेत्। सप्तमी मध्ये शौण्डादिगणस्थः कश्चन भवेत्। षष्ठी मध्ये किमपि न भवति। यदि संबंधः अस्ति चेत् साक्षात् षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः कर्तुं शक्यते। कोऽपि संबंध, पिता पुत्र संबंध, स्वामी भक्त संबंध। पुनः किंचित् इतोपि तत्र कौमुद्यां नास्ति, किन्तु किंचित् वदामि यद् मया ज्ञायते अथवा यद् अधीतम् अस्माभिः। सामान्य नियमः युष्मद् अस्मद् इति शब्दयोः प्रयोगः यदा भवति तदा एकवचनस्य प्रयोगं यदा कुर्मः तत्र वचनस्य स्थाने तत्र मत् अथवा त्वत्, अस्मत् इति शब्दस्य स्थाने मत् आदेशः भवति, युष्मद् इत्यस्य स्थाने त्वत् आदेशः भवति, एकवचने केवलम्। उदाहरणं किं, मम गृहं, मम इति षष्ठ्यन्तं वर्तते। तत्र मम इति अस्मत् इति प्रातिपदिकात् आगतम् इदं पदम् अस्ति। यदा समस्तपदं कुर्मः मम गृहम् इत्यस्य समस्तपदं भवति मद्गृहं। नाम किं, तत्र मत् इति आदेशः भवति, तत्र ग अग्रे वर्तते, सॉफ्ट कॉन्सोनेंट अग्रे वर्तते इति कृत्वा जष्ट्वं भवति मद्गृहम् इति। किन्तु यदा बहुवचनम् अस्ति तत्र तु साक्षात् मूल प्रातिपदिकं यद् भवति मूलप्रातिपदिकं तदेव स्थापनीयम्। अस्माकं गृहं मूल प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति अस्मत्, सो अस्मद् गृहम् एतत् अस्मत् इत्यस्य कृते। त्वत् युष्मत् सर्वनाम्नः एकम् उदाहरणम् अस्ति, त्वया कृतं। त्वया इति तृतीयान्तम्। एकवचनं यदि साधनीयं, समस्तपदं यदि करणीयं, तस्य समस्तपदं भवति त्वत् कृतं। त्वत् कृतं अधुना यत्र यत्र कृदन्त प्रत्ययः दृश्यते, यथा कृदं, कृतं, गत इत्यादिकं, तत्र पुनः तृतीया इति कर्तुं शक्यते. त्वया कृतं, डन् बै यू, त्वत्कृतं. किन्तु बहुवचने तु त्वत् आदेशः न भवति. एकवचने एव त्वत् मत् आदेशः. युष्माभिः कृतं, देन् साक्षात् प्रातिपदिकं युष्मत् कृतं. मह्यम् इदं, तस्य कृते अर्थं शब्दः उपयुज्यते, मदर्थं मत् इति आदेशः. अस्मभ्यम् इदं भवति अस्मदर्थं. तव पुत्रः त्वत्पुत्रः, युवयोः पुत्रः युष्मत्पुत्रः. Right? So this is how ekadeshah we have to say mat and tvat is the adesha on the place of mama, tvaya, whatever. Tvaddasah, can you split the word? समस्त पद, समस्त विग्रह.
तवदासः.
तवदासः. युष्मद् अपेक्षा. युष्मद् कदा उपयुज्यते? यदि एकवचनम् अस्ति चेत् त्वत्, यदि बहुवचनम् अस्ति चेत्.
Your voice was breaking, sir. Can you say that again, please?
Tvat and mat adesha happens only in singular.
Singular,
apart from that, like yushmad, etc., asmad, etc., that means there might be bahuvachanam. So if you see here, what would be the samasta padam, vigraha padam?
Yushma bihi apeksha.
Yushmakam apeksha, your desire.
Oh.
It is not only there should be tritiya only. You can put like a
yushmakam. Okay.
Shashti, apeksha, your apeksha. So there is a connection between and apeksha. Shashti.
Okay.
Asman maitri means what? It's connection.
Asmad. Asmad.
Asmakam.
Asmakam. Right. Asmakam maitri.
Asmakam maitri. Our maitri. Friendliness. Maitri.
Oh, our friend. Okay, got it. Yeah. Asmakam is plural. Right.
Asmakam, our friendship. Man, there is a mat adesha. Means it is singular.
Mat nivasa. Okay.
Then,
so mama nivasa.
Mama nivasa. Next, asmat kartavyam. There is a not mat, asmat pratipadikam. Then
asmat would be asmakam, right?
Asmakam kartavyam. Here kartavyam is used, so we can also use asmabhihi kartavyam. We have to perform, we have to do. That's why tritiya also kartum shakyate. Shashti is very samanya. Asmakam kartavyam. Kartavyam means that which can be done. So asmakam, that is karya, that is our karya. That is how we can say. Maddayitvam, what would be the
mad, so mama dayitvam.
Mama dayitvam, very nice. Okay. Now little bit regarding karma dharaya. Chakara bahulo dvandvaha. Sachasau karma dharayah. Yasya esha bahuvrihi sheshas tat purusho matah. So now they are explaining each samasa in short, where you will see chakara bahulaha. Wherever you see cha in between, like Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmano, that is called dvandvaha. Wherever you find sa chasau means what? You will find chakara also in karma dharaya, but there you will find asau, idam, tat, etat. Like for example, unnataha vriksha, this is the samasta padam. In karma dharaya, what they will add? Unnataha cha asau vrikshah cha, unnata vrikshah. So they will add chasau. Mahan chasau atma iti mahatma. Rajan raja cha asau rishihi rajarshihi. This is how chasau pad will be added into karma dharaya. In bahuvri, what happens? Yasya, esham, like what? Pitam ambaram yasya saha. Yasya will be highlighted.
Correct.
Bahuvri. And shesha tat purusha we have already seen. Okay. Now till this in Tatpurusha we had seen Vyadhikarana Tatpurusha, and when there is a
Right.
Samana Adhikarana, if there are two padas in same cases, then that is called Samana Adhikarana, and it gets new name Karma Dharaya. So Samana Adhikaranyam
Okay.
what? Samana Vibhaktitvam समानाधिकरण्यम पूर्वपदेन उत्तरपदेन च एकः एव पदार्थः उच्यते. First pada and uttar pada, both pada will be explaining same thing. Okay, that is called samanadhikaranyam. For example, in Tatpurusha, in Vedhikarana, what we saw, Gruham Gataha. Gruham is in Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Right.
and Gataha is in Prathama.
Tritiyah.
हाँ, तो तत्र प्रथम
Prathamah.
तत्र व्यधिकरणम् अस्ति, भिन्न विभक्तित्वम् अस्ति इति कृत्वा सः सामान्य तत्पुरुषः. यत्र तु समानाधिकरण्यम् अस्ति तत्र तु कर्मधारयः भवति. ओके,
Okay. Got it.
अत्र पुनः
Samanadhikaran, basically there is same vibhaktis in the words that are being used, right?
if you see samana vibhaktitvam, then that would be karmadharaya. But again, dvandva also will be same, but there is a little difference. In dvandva you will find chakara, which means and each pada will have different their pradhanatva. Ramah gacchati, Lakshmanah gacchati. Ramah cha, Lakshmanah cha. Ram also goes and Lakshmana also goes. In Karmadhara, what happens? There would be one adjective or upamana. This is how Karmadhara goes. There will be little difference. We will understand this. Atra Rama Bhakta ityatra Ramasya Bhaktah itra little bit. We can add Ramasya Bhakta means Rama is different person and Bhakta is different person. There is no same padartha, right? So this is called Vedhikarana. There should be Ramasya. Okay. किंतु कर्मधारये किं भवति? उन्नतः वृक्ष. अत्र उन्नतः अपि वृक्षः अपि indicating same thing. Means what? Unnatatva and vrikshatva belongs to whom? Vriksha. Unnatvam, heighted, and vrikshatvam, that jati, both indicate one thing, that is vriksha, right? So adjective cannot stand its own. It always take the ashraya of dravya. We had seen in Nyaya Shastra, guna always need dravya. So this is how we need to understand. Means what? Adjective cannot stand by its own. It always need vishesha padam. Okay. So now we cannot say only unnata. We have to find also vriksha. So both will be same case. अत्र एकः एव पदार्थः अस्ति, सः पदार्थः उभयोः अपि अधिष्ठानम् अस्ति. वृक्षः वृक्षत्वम् इति जातेः अपि अधिष्ठानम्, उन्नतत्व गुणस्य अपि अधिष्ठानम् वृक्षः. एतदेव विशेषण विशेषेण अपि उच्यते. सो अनदर नेम फॉर कर्मधारय इज विशेषण विशेष्य.
Karmadhara is Visheshan, Vishesha. Okay.
Various example we are going to see, so it is going to be very simple. How to do vigraha of any samasa or karmadhare samasa? Unnatah vrikshah, this is very common. Samasta padam would be unnata vrikshah.
Unnata vriksha.
Little bit traditional vigraha if we do, it will be unnatah cha asau vrikshah. So what we need to add? We have to find visheshana. Then there will be added chakara. In dvandva also we add chakara, but chakara there means and. Here chakara doesn't mean and. Okay. Unnatah cha asau, this vrikshah. Asau means this vrikshah. Okay. So actually that vigraha happens two ways. Like let me show you here a little bit. Okay. First vigraha would be unnatah cha vrikshah cha. We will be adding cha. That's it. But mainly whenever they do vigraha vakyam, vigraha should be like this. Unnatah cha असौ वृक्षः च. असौ पद should be added after chakara. So unnataschasau vrikshah iti unnatavriksha.
Okay.
Visarga will change into shakara and unnataschasau vrikshah. This is how you will be saying. For example, other things you have to practice now. Unnataschasau we have seen. Here how you will do? Before that, let's just a minute. Karmadharaye asau. If pullinga shabda or napusaklinga shabda, strilinga shabda, if it is there, then we can use asau. If there is a napusaklinga shabda, then tat, athva, idam, ekyaha for pullinga, esha for strilinga. This is how we can use. Now here, sundaram pushpam. Sundara pushpam is samastapadam. How you will be doing vigraha vakyam?
Sundaram cha asau pushpam cha.
Asau is used for strilinga and pullinga.
Oh, I'm sorry. So what will be the word for asau in oh, sorry, it says idam. Sorry. Sundaram cha idam pushpam.
Sundaram cha tat pushpam. Or
oh, okay, that's right, yeah.
Both way it's fine. Next.
So Nilaha Megha we can use asau, right? Nilaha cha asau megha cha.
Nilaschasau megha nila megha. So chasau will make very.
Oh, Nilaschasau megha.
Nila megha. Next.
Bhayankaraha chasau rakshasah. Bhayankara rakshasah.
Bhayankarashchasau rakshasah. Bhayankara rakshasah. Few more practice we will do. Karmadharaye sarvanama upayoktavyam. Sarvanama means asau, adas sarvanam, idam sarvanam, etat sarvanam, tat sarvanam. These things we need to add while doing vigraha vakya. Okay. So now let's move to next. Abhyasa vakyani I am going to give you some like abhyasa vakya. Samasta padam. Now visheshana. Then we have to find out visheshana we have to find out. Then we will be adding chasau, then vishesham. For example, unnata bhavanani. Bhavana shabda is in napusaklinga. So then we will be adding imani. Unnatani cha imani bhavanani. Unnata bhavanani. Right? Unnatani cha imani bhavanani. If we do sandhi in between this also, it will become unnatani chemani bhavanani chemani, it will be. Okay, next. Kathina karyam. What is the visheshana? Karyam is visheshanam or?
Kathinam. Sorry, kathinam would be visheshana for karyam, right?
Correct. So visheshana first, kathinam cha idam. So now kathinam is napusaklinga. Karyam is napusaklinga. So we can use either tat or idam. Kathinam cha tat karyam cha kathina karyam. Athva kathinam cha idam karyam cha kathina karyam. Tat or idam, both are fine. Next.
Manava shrestha cha asau manavascha. So again it can be shreshthascha asau manavascha. Right?
Correct. Mitram shabda is in napusaklinga.
Okay, aptamitram. Aptam cha tat mitram.
Aptam cha tanmitram. Sandhi karyam.
Oh, right. Tat will become tan. Pradhana mantri. Pradhanaha chasau mantri. So pradhanash chasau mantri.
Mantri cha. Then chakara also.
Oh, sorry. Mantri cha. Right. Sorry.
I guess. But we can add. Pradhanashchasau mantri cha pradhana mantri.
Priya putraha. Priyaha chate putraha. So priyaha chate putraha cha. But when there is plural priyaha, does it become shcha? Because the rule will remain the same, right?
Yes. Priyaschate putraha.
Okay.
Putrashcha. Priyaschate putrashcha.
Putrashcha, correct.
Okay, now Abhyasa Vakyani, there are some Abhyasa Vakya. First, I will explain. Jaina Munihi Shvetambaram Dharati. Jain Munihi Yah Bhavati Sah Kim Dharati Shvetavastram Dharati iti artha. Shvetambaram, so whatever is bold, you will see that there we can do Karma Dharaya. Shvetam Ambaram. Now, again, in Prathama it is fine. But if you see Dvitiya, Tritiya, in Karmadhare example, if you see, identify the what Vibhakti, if it is in, it might be in Dvitiya, Tritiya, after making Samasta Pada, we can use any Vibhakti. So, like Shvetambarena Saha Swashariram Achadayati. Now, Shvetambaras is Karmadhare. If you do Karmadhare, it will become Shvetam Cha Tat Ambaram Cha. This is called Karmadhare. So now if you are looking at the sentence and if Shvetambara Pada is used in Tritiya, then what we need to do? There is a way. Shvetam cha tat ambaram Shvetambaram. Correct? Then what we need to add? Tritiya Vibhakti Padam we have to add. Shvetam cha tat ambaram cha tena. This is how we will be doing. Shvetam cha ambaram cha Shvetambaram tena Shvetambarena. This is how we will go. Okay.
So can you explain one more time? I'm not sure what we're trying to do here. So
Okay.
we have
Now,
Jaina Munihi Shvetambaram Dharati.
okay. Now just Shvetambaram. This is a Samasta Padam. See, it is in Prathama. Then I will explain. Now do
Right.
Vigraha.
Okay, you're trying to convert it into Tritiya. Is that what we're doing here?
First we
Or
will
if it is
first it is in Prathama. How you will split that word or Vigraha you are going to do?
so Shvetam
Cha
cha Ambaram. So for Ambaram it is
after cha you can use Sarvanama Padam, right? Shvetam cha tat ambaram cha.
Tat Ambaram cha.
Shvetambaram. If there is a Dvitiya Vibhakti in sentence, it can be declining in. Okay. Then what if you are doing Anvaya, then not Anvaya, Vigraha, then how will we do? Same thing we are going to do. Shvetam cha tat ambaram cha tam Shvetambaram. So in whichever case it is, accordingly. Tam, tena, tasmai, tasmat, like that. We'll practice. अहम अग्रिम सप्ताहे आगच्छामि. Now here saptahah is pulling.
Right. So Saptahe is Saptami. Right?
What we will do in Prathama, then we will add Tasmin. That's it.
Oh, okay. So Agrima I have no idea. I'm lost.
Agrimaha is Saptaha is pulling or Napusaklinga. Let's do whatever. Agrimam cha Saptahah cha.
Yeah.
Agrimah chasau saptahascha agrima saptah tasmin. That's it. Tasmin.
Oh, okay. Because it is Saptahe, Saptami, we will add the Tasmin.
Then automatically you are going to get the word Agrima Saptahe. Tasmin Saptahe. हाँ? ऐसा हर बार करते हो. वैसे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम. आकाशे नीलमेघाः सन्ति. Here we need not to, like, because there is a prathama only. नीलमेघाः दृश्यन्ते. So here how will you do vigraha of this pada?
Neelaha cha.
Megha is C. Okay. Go ahead.
Meghaha, right?
Singular.
Neelaha.
Neelaschasau megah, Neelamegah, te, Neelamegaha. This is how also we can do. Twice, both ways. Neelaha cha te, Megaha, Neelamegaha. Or Neelaschasau megah, te, Neelamegaha. Both way we can do. बहुवचन में भी पहले कर सकते हैं, नीलाः च ते मेघाः नीलमेघाः। ये
हम्म,
हो गया एक। दूसरा कैसे करेंगे, सिंगुलर यूज करेंगे और लास्ट में उसका जितना भी वचन है वो वाला जगह देंगे, जैसे कि नीलश्चासौ मेघः नीलमेघः, सिंगुलर बना लिया।
right.
सिंगुलर बनाने के बाद जो भी वचन हमने यूज किया है, जो भी विभक्ति यूज की है, उसका उसके अनुसार करेंगे। यहाँ प्रथम विभक्ति बहुवचन किया तो क्या करेंगे, नीलश्चासौ मेघः नीलमेघः ते नीलमेघाः।
हम्म,
हियर लिटिल बिट। उन्नत वृक्षेषु नारिकेलः अन्यतमः।
हाँ। So उन्नतः
हम्म,
उन्नतः च असौ
हम्म,
वृक्षः
हाँ
तेषु
करेक्ट।
वृक्षेषु।
हाँ, उन्नतश्च
Is that it?
च वृक्षश्च तेषु उन्नतवृक्षेषु।
वृक्षेषु।
गुड,
Sorry, उन्नत here. उन्नत वृक्षेषु।
नाइस। तेषु, आफ्टर तेषु इवन वी डोंट ऐड उन्नतवृक्षेषु, दैट इज टोटली फाइन, राइट। उन्नतश्चासौ वृक्षः च तेषु, दैट्स इट। नेक्स्ट, शबर्या, शबर्या अथवा शबरी द्वारा रामाय मधुरफलानि दत्तानि। हियर
Hmm. So madhuram phalam, right?
मधुरम च,
Madhuram cha, and we just had that word tat. Madhuram cha tat phalam tani
हाँ
dattani. Tani madhur phalani dattani.
हाँ, विग्रह वाक्य इज मधुरम च तत् फलम च मधुरफलम, अदरवाइज मधुराणि च तानि फलानि च। दिस इज हाउ वी कैन डू, बोथ वे वी कैन डू। नेक्स्ट, वयम शुद्धम शुद्ध जलम पिबामः।
So again, a neuter gender, right? So shuddham cha tat jalam. So this is singular,
हाँ,
right? So we don't have to do anything. Then it's vayam madhuram cha shuddham. Sorry, madhuram. Vayam shuddham cha tat jalam cha pibamaha.
here it is in dvitiya, so what we will do, शुद्धम च
Oh, shuddha jalam.
शुद्ध जलम तत् जलम पिबामः। actually तत्तेतानि तत्तेतानि, both look like prathama also dvitiya also, so it is going to be same, looking like same, but it is in dvitiya। मधुरम च, sorry मधुरम not मधुरम, शुद्धम च तत् तत् जलम पिबामि। तम जलम, ये रसः शब्द लेते हैं, शुद्धश्चासौ रसः शुद्ध रसः तम शुद्ध रसम पिबामः। यहाँ कैसे करेंगे, लिटिल बिट विशेष, हियर विशेष, विशेष को क्या बोलते, स्पेशल। स्त्रीलिंगे विशेषणम यद अस्ति तत् पुल्लिंगवत् तस्य रूपम भवति। क्या, उन्नता बालिका। Now while making samasa we are not going to add unnata balika, we have to say tata balika। In the similar way, chaturani means what, chatura nari, samasta padam would be like chatura nari। kushala karma kari, one who does karma, one who performs action, karma kari, kushala, so this la would be like kushala।
Kushala karma kari।
Next,
Sundara shatika, buddhimat chhatra, so it becomes buddhimat chhatra, that this is sandhi, right? Buddhimat chhatra,
main pratipadika buddhimat, for pullinga it becomes buddhi, but while making samasa we just add pratipadikam, right? So buddhimat chhatra। Here look at this special rule,
yuvatihi nayika
becomes yuvan shabd, so nakara will na lopa pratipadikantasya, that will drop
yuvanayika। Okay,
okay। Next, how you will split these words,
dirgha rajjuh, dirgha rajjuh।
next,
रक्त लेखनी, रक्ता लेखनी। That means red pen.
How to do? Here Samastapadam.
Mrudhi
Mridvi.
Panchal. What does that mean? What does that word mean?
It should be. Panchalika Bahuli.
Oh, Mridvi. Mridvi.
Main pratipadikam is mridu. In Strilinga it becomes mridvi. Mriduhu for linga, mridu, and for Strilinga it becomes mridvi. So main pratipadikam is mridu. So mridu panchalika. Panchalika it should be. Panchalika is
So Panchalika is a doll, right?
doll.
What does Mrudu Panchalika mean?
Soft.
Soft doll? Oh, okay. Mrudu Panchalika. Okay.
Panchalika.
Shaktimati Sanghatana. Shaktimat Sanghatana.
In Pratipadikam we have to remember. These are some Apavadatma. Here you will just do Chatura, Kushala, Sundara, Buddhimat, etc. Again, regarding Maha Shabda, Mahat Shabda, in Karmadharaya, in all three lingas, Mahat will change into Maha. Atvadesha bhavati. Adesha will happen. Karmadharaya Maha iti. Shashti tat purusha tat only in Karmadharaya. If we are making Shashti tat purusha, Mahatah seva, it is going to be Mahat seva.
Mahaseva. Okay.
Not going to be
Oh, I see.
in Karmadharaya, only there Atvam will happen. For example, Mahasena means what? Mahati Sena, big army. How to do this? Mahati cha asau Sena cha. Mahati cha asau Sena cha Mahasena. Or rather than using asau is used for pullinga also, strilinga also. We can use sa also, like Mahati cha sa Sena cha Mahati Sena.
Okay.
Mahanagaram, Mahat Nagaram. How to do?
Mahat Shatat Nagaram Cha.
Mahachatan
Nagaram.
Nagarancha. Mahanagaram. Mahanagaram it would become, sorry. Mahanagaram. If it is Karmadhara, it would be Mahanagaram. If it is Purusha, then Mahatah Nagaram. महान जो लोग है उनका नगर है ये महानगर. वहां बन जाएगा महत नगर, बन जाएगा महन नगर, बन जाएगा वहां. महावीराः, महान महान्तौ, महान्तः.
महान्तः वीराः.
महान्तश्चासौ वीरा. असौ इज सिंगुलर, राइट? महान्तौ ते वीराः. महावीराः. महावीर शब्द हम बहुत बार सुनते हैं. महावीर शब्द का महांचासौ वीरः च वीरश्च. चासौ वीरश्च महावीरः. नेक्स्ट
महानद्यः.
महति शब्द इन स्त्रीलिंग इट बिकम्स महति. नदीवत रूपम चलति. महति, महत्यौ, महत्यः. महत्यः नद्यः. महत्यः च इमाः नद्यः. महावाक्यानि, महावाक्यम.
महावाक्यानि महन्ति च एतानि और तानि वाक्यानि च.
महन्ति च एतानि वाक्यानि च महावाक्यानि. महन्ति च तानि वाक्यानि च महावाक्यानि. महन्ति च इमानि वाक्यानि च महावाक्यानि. इमानि, एतानि, तानि, whatever you want to use, you can. Okay, here we have to practice it now.
कर्मधारये महत् शब्दस्य आत्वं भवति. So it becomes okay. Mahat Bharatam is Mahabharatam. Mahat Kavyam would be Mahakavyam. Mahan Kavihi would be Mahakavihi. Mahantah.
Asau, tat, etc. We haven't did, right?
Oh, okay.
Mahat.
Right. Mahat asau, not asau, sorry. Mahat tat Bharatam.
Bharatam. Mahachatam, mahaccha, tat.
Tat Bharatam cha.
Bharatam cha. Nice.
Mahat tat Kavyam cha. Mahakavyam.
Mahakavyam. Next. So it is karmadharaya.
Is that correct?
Next.
Mahan kavihi. So kavihi is it is becoming Mahakavi, na? So it is Mahan. So one is the ling does not matter. Only the case matters. Matters? Okay.
Yes.
Because we are saying Mahan.
Whether we are going to add asau or tat, idam, it depends upon linga only, na? So mahan cha asau.
No, that I understand. So Mahan. So Mahan is the Visheshan for Kavi.
Correct. And
right?
both
Kavi is masculine.
Correct.
Right? So Mahan cha asau kavi hi cha hoga kya?
Kavi.
Is that correct? Okay. Mahan cha asau kavi hi cha. Mahakavi.
Should be in same vibhakti, same linga.
That's where I was confused. So Mahan is that a masculine word?
Yeah, Mahat is Pratipadikam. If you decline in Pullinga, it will be Mahan, Mahanto, Mahantah. If you decline
in that's
Jagat, like Jagat Shabda, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti, Mahat, Mahati, Mahanti. If you decline in Stri, become Mahati, Mahatyau, Mahatyah.
That is where my confusion. I was not sure if Mahan is a masculine word. Okay, thank you. Mahantaha janaha. Okay. So sahataute te janaha, right? Mahantaha cha te janaha
Mahajana Gatassa Pantha Yena Gatassa Panthaha. Famous shloka from Mahabharata. What is right path to walk to towards Nishtreya? They say Mahajana Gataha Yena Sah Panthaha. That is called right path through which or on which Mahajana has traveled. Mahajana in the sense good people, sajjan people, wise people, followed. Okay, Mahantah cha asau te janaha mahajanaha. Next. Mahadevi.
Mahati Devi. So Mahati cha will be Sa Devi. Mahati cha. Can we use Sa Devi cha?
Correct. Sa Devi cha Mahadevi. Mahadevah.
Mahataha cha Devaha.
Mahan cha. Mahan is pullinga. Mahati is strilinga. Mahat is naputa.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Right. So Mahadeva will follow Mahan Kavihi. Right? Mahan cha asau Devaha cha. Devascha. Right. Mahati Seva. So that's feminine. Mahati cha sa. Mahati cha sa Seva cha Mahaseva.
This is how Karmadhare goes. Now there are types of Karmadharaya. It is going to be easy. We'll see in next class.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And what happens with others? They are not.
I have no idea.
How to go? How to finish Samasa Prakaran.